What's up, peeps? It's Camera Kid 92 here. Hope you're all doing well. Today is a very exciting day. I have literally been waiting all day tracking my UPS delivery because today is iPhone day. Woo! I'm so excited. Kudos to UPS for getting here before the end of the day, even though this is a question I have for all the UPS drivers out there. If you're watching this, I watched the delivery truck drive past my neighborhood like 6 or 7 times before it got here. Why is that? It just seems kind of complicated, like you're going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. I don't know, but it's here. I got the iPhone 11 Pro Max in gold. 512 gigabytes. I know I'm like really excited. I'm out of breath. I just kind of danced upstairs when I got my box. I'm super excited. Figured I'd film an unboxing for you guys. If you hear any music upstairs, it's because my dad is in a rock band and he's practicing. So yeah, yay for rock star dads. All right, enough talking. Let's get this open. I'm so excited. Okay, my heart is like racing. How do I open this? Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, snap. Oh, whoops. It's taped in there. There it is. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, you guys. I can't believe it's been 2 years already since I've had my iPhone 10. It's been a great phone. Love it. But I did miss the Plus size. I had the 6S Plus before that. So this is the same size as the Plus. It is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So looks like we got a nice black box here with gold lettering. I got the gold one. This is really sleek box. Every iPhone I've had has had a white box, so I do like the black. That looks really good. Whew, I'm sweating. Okay, all right. Pull the plastic back. I love how Apple packages their products. It's just so aesthetically pleasing. Look at that beautiful box. So we got the pretty back, the gold with the 3 cameras. Really excited to try those out. So it says iPhone in gold on the side. You got the gold Apple logo on the top and the bottom. On the back, iPhone 11 Pro Max, 512 gigabytes. That is like the most I've had an iPhone. I think my 10 only came in 256. All right, enough waiting. I love this part. Whoa. Okay, that is gorgeous. Wow. So here it is in the box. Shining, shimmering, splendid. That gold just is beautiful. I couldn't get the 10 in gold. I love gold iPhones, so we're really excited. Whew. Here it is. Oh my gosh. So the plastic is only on the front for the 11. Not sure why, but let's just... Oh yeah. It's gorgeous. Wow. That is so nice. It is, I'm like, wow, this is very expensive piece of machinery here. So yeah, I got the gold and it's got the glass back and it's like a matte finish. Really nice. Got the 3 cameras up there. 3 cameras remind me of like a fidget spinner. And it's funny, I actually had a dream last night. I got my iPhone in the mail, but it was like a Chinese knockoff, and the cameras were like all down the side on the back, and it was like really cheap. So I was like, oh god. But yep, here it is. So yeah, it's beautiful. So we'll just put this here. Let's see what else is in the box. We got the usual designed by Apple in California sleeve. Hello, says hello. Got the SIM card remover, really cool. Got the 2, of course, Apple stickers, iconic. And just, you know, a bunch of terms, conditions, and instructions. Don't really need that. Okay, got another set of the ear pods with the lightning connector. Can always use more of these because I only have like one pair from my 10. Then we got the charger. This is actually new. It is a stronger powered charger, bigger brick, so should be fast charging. The brick in the old iPhones, as you all know, it charges your phone very slowly. I actually purchased an additional iPad charger to charge my iPhone because that charges it really quickly, so I'm curious to see how this will stack up to that. And of course, we got our lightning cable. Very cool stuff. Alright, so I guess, I don't know how, I guess I just turn it on? Let's find out. First time. iPhone 11 Pro Max. Oh, there we go. She's coming to life. Wow, it's beautiful. It's nice having the plus size again. I missed that size. And it's really awesome because this is going to be all screen. Really cool. Hello. English. United States. Other iPhone. I wonder. Whoa. Whoa. So I'm setting up my new iPhone and it just had me hold this one up to this one. Enter passcode of your other iPhone. Okay. Setting up your iPhone. Let's see how easy this is. I've never actually set up an iPhone by myself. I've done it at the Apple Store a couple times. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Da, 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 da. So while we wait, what phone do you guys use? And are you planning on upgrading to the iPhone 11? Are you planning on upgrading to the 2020 iPhone? I've heard that one's pretty exciting, gonna be pretty big, 5G and all that. I didn't want to wait another year because I usually only use my iPhones every 2 years, so got this one in 2017, the 10, and now got the 11 Pro. Face ID, yes please. Set up Face ID, get started. Position your face within the frame. Move your head slowly to complete the circle. Okay. It's been a while since I've done this. Move your head slowly to complete the circle. Beautiful. Face ID is now set up. Alright, transfer your data. Download from iCloud. Alright, we're going to download from iCloud because I just backed up. Do your thing, little iPhone. Agree. Yes, I agree. Okay, so, like I said, first time setting up my iPhone here at home. By myself. I've usually done it at Apple stores. The last time I got my 10, it's actually funny because I didn't have unlimited data. And when I was there, it said that I was done downloading everything. But when I left, unbeknownst to me, it was downloading all my music. And I have a lot of music. So I'm like driving home and I'm getting notifications that my data went over a gig, 2 gigs, 10, 20, and like it kept, the overage charges kept going up and it went up to like $170. And my dad texted me on the way home and he's like, what's going on? Why are you using all the data? And I was like, oh my God, I don't know. And then like when I get home, I'm like, oh my God, it literally downloaded all my music. So I had to call my carrier. I had to explain what happened, and thankfully I got the unlimited data plan out of that, and I didn't have to pay the overage charges. So if you guys ever make that mistake, make sure you call your carrier and just be honest, and they'll understand. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? My other iPhone's doing it too. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. Every time I say that, this iPhone's doing it. I'm sorry, you've been a great little phone. It's asking me so much right now. Select a light or dark appearance and see how your iOS adjusts. Dark mode. Oh my gosh, that is freaking beautiful. I have wanted that for so long. Yeah, I use dark mode on pretty much any app that has that option, like Twitter, YouTube, I think Facebook Messenger too. So I'm really excited for a dark mode on the iPhone. Definitely really a well-needed update. Okay, now we're just updating back up. Alright, so after some waiting during the iCloud backup, it looks like my phone is ready to go. It's got my wallpaper up there with me and my boyfriend Alex. Really great guy. He's just incredible. Can't believe it's been more than a year since we've been together. There's my iPhone 10. Here are the two iPhones for comparison in size. Let's check that out. Wow, look at that. Alright guys, well anyways, I'm going to finish setting up my iPhone 11 Pro Max. It is beautiful. I'll be doing a review on it very soon. I just want to kind of get it set up, get used to it and everything. I know there's a lot of settings I have to go through. But I just wanted to make this unboxing video, first impressions with you guys. I know there's like 1,000 of these videos up, but I figured I'd do my own, share my excitement with you. Thank you again for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like if you like my content. Let me know in the comments if there are any other kinds of videos you'd like me to do. Thank you again for all the support. And once again, I'm CameraKid92, and I'm signing out with my new iPhone 11 Pro Max. That is a mouthful. See you later, guys.